Alright guys, doing some interior work in Toothless. So I wanted to put in this new speaker guard right here. And to do that I need to take the door panel off. And then I also noticed a few things I wanted to fix, which I will flip around and show you. Basically this guy right here, this cover, was glued on, and in order to get the door panel off, these have to come off. So I had to take the glue off of that guy and take that off. And then also I noticed that this speaker holder is just really loose, so it looks like there's just one bolt down here holding it in. So I'm gonna get this all bolted back in so it's nice and tight. And then these guys are just hanging down, so I'm going to strap these back into the wiring holder, and then get this door panel put back on. But just little things I'm fixing. The other thing is, hopefully you can hear me in this wind. This little piece here is broken, so I'm going to replace this with a new, well, a used but new to me door cover for when I open the door, and then I'll stick this baby back on. So I think in the long term, if I do keep this car, I'll probably want to re-wrap these panels just because they're a little bit beat up. But for now, we're just going to get everything at least complete.
To have a certain face, I stood and wait because we are in pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
Now I'm going to go ahead and put the screen on for the speaker.
I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I think while I'm at it, I'm just also going to fix this little trim piece. If you look on this side, there's these little teeth right here, and it looks like, to focus, this one is kind of messed up and popping out. Done. Here we go. Got the grill in, got the new light in. If anybody has any of these in shadow gray, these covers, let me know because I need some. now the only thing I have left to do on the interior, I kind of worked on this a little bit. Oh, too much. Worked on the little console area. Got the cup holders installed. Doesn't fit great because this CD player setup is not exactly the highest quality, I don't think, as far as the installation kit goes. And then all I need to do is put in the other seatbelt right there. And that is it for what I got in stock for interior stuff. I do still need that light cover, and then I have to go pick up this trim piece right here. And then it'll be complete.